For anyone who wants a cost-effective doorbell camera that can offer great performance quality at a more affordable price, the Wyze Video Doorbell Pro is my choice as the best doorbell camera for the money in 2023. Not everyone has hundreds of dollars to spend on a doorbell camera, and the Wyze Video Doorbell Pro is a much more affordable alternative that can still shoot clear footage and accurately detect motion near your home. It has a minimalistic design that shouldn't draw too much attention, and it has a relatively easy installation process that only requires 2 screw contacts for hardwiring, though you can't connect it to additional accessories like the Wyze solar panel, and it's a bit bulky. It has a built-in rechargeable battery that can reliably last for around 6 months on a single charge to remain functional over time. It also comes with a separate chime accessory that can be installed wherever you want, along with customizable chimes with various noises and volume levels. You get an effective camera that can shoot solid 1440p footage when triggered and surprisingly clear low-light footage. But it lacks HDR support like the more expensive Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. Unfortunately, it lacks customizable motion zones yet, but it features solid motion tracking to detect people and package detection, which is impressive considering its affordable price. You'll also need a Cam Plus subscription to access all the features, but it includes unlimited video recordings, no cooldown period between recordings, 14 days of cloud storage, vehicle and pet detection functions, and more for around $2 a month. The Wyze Video Doorbell Pro isn't the most advanced camera on this list, but it's still a reliable, affordable option that can consistently capture clear video and offers some useful built-in features for the price. This is an excellent option if you don't want to spend too much and just want a basic doorbell camera that can get the job done and monitor your home's entrance.